Good morning students, welcome back to the lecture number 2 of chapter 7. In the lecture number 1 we have discussed about the congruency among two figures, right? We have discussed that two figures are said to be congruent if they have same shape as well as they have same size, right? Then also we have discussed that two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and they have same size. Okay, it means what? It means this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Hence these two triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, then another method of finding the congruency is that you have to cut this triangle and put over this triangle, so that this triangle completely covers another triangle, and if it completely covers, then these two triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, now in this lecture we will discuss about some conditions, some criteria, okay, through which two triangles will be congruent. Which criteria should be followed by the triangles in order to be congruent? We will discuss about this. Okay, so our today's topic is criteria for congruency of triangle, right? So there are 5 criteria through which two triangles will be congruent. What are they? Let us discuss. The first criteria is SAS. Okay, later we will discuss what is SAS. Let me first write all the criteria. The second thing is SSS. Third is ASA. Okay. Fourth is AAS. The last but not the least is RHS. Okay. So what is the meaning of SAS? SAS means S stands for side, A stands for angle, right? This S stands for side. Okay. Similarly, SSS means side, side, and side. Right? AS mean angle, side, and angle. Okay. AAS means angle, then angle, and then side. Right? And last is R. R means right angle. H means hypotenuse. S means side. Okay, so these are the literal meaning of SAS, SS, SSS, ASA, AAS, and RHS. So it means, first considering the first condition or first criteria, it means two triangles will be congruent when if they follow this condition. Which condition? This condition. It means side, then side, in between two sides there is an angle. What is the meaning of this? See, suppose it is a triangle. Okay, now there is another triangle DEF. Okay, so for considering SAS criterion or criteria, see, in between these two triangles, if this side AB is equal to this side, which side? Side DE. Suppose, and another side, suppose BC is equal to EF. Okay, so this side and this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and the angle, which angle? There are 3 angles in a triangle. Here one angle, here one angle, here one angle, here is one angle, and one angle. Then which angle must be taken so that the two triangles will follow this criterion? We have chosen two consecutive sides. These are the two consecutive sides. Consecutive means they have a, or they emerge from a common point. That's why they are known as consecutive sides. So the two consecutive sides are equal to another two consecutive sides of another triangle, and this angle means the angle which lies in between the two consecutive sides. Okay, see, here we have how many angles? Three angles. But out of this three angle, there is an angle B which lies in between these two consecutive sides, or this is the included angle. Which angle? Included angle in between the two consecutive sides that we have chosen, that we have taken. Similarly, in this triangle, if these two are the consecutive sides, then there is an angle E which lies in between these two sides. That is why I am writing first side like this, then angle, this angle, then side, this side. So in between the two sides, an angle is formed. Okay, that is known as included angle. So according to SAS criterion, if in a triangle, okay, two consecutive sides and the included angle is equal to the another triangle's two consecutive sides and the included angle, then the two triangles are said to be congruent. Again I am telling you, according to SAS criterion, if the two consecutive sides like AB and BC and the included angle A is equal to another triangle's two consecutive sides, that means AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and the included angle this is B is equal to E. Then these two triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, this is the SAS criterion tells you. Okay, now this concept is also known as axiom number 7.1. Okay, so let us first understand it. Axiom number 7.1. Okay, so first we will write the axiom or the statement of the axiom number 7.1. Axiom 7.1. This is also known as SAS congruency. Why this is known as SAS congruency? Because through this criteria, through SAS criteria, two triangles will be congruent. That is why it is known as SAS congruency. So it states that two triangles are said to be congruent if, what is the condition? If the two consecutive sides, okay, are equal to another triangle's two consecutive sides and the included angle is equal to another triangle's included angle. Okay, if the two consecutive sides and included angle of one triangle are equal to whom? Are equal to another two consecutive sides, and included angle of another triangle. Okay, this is the condition through which the two triangle will be congruent. Right? Now mathematically we have to write this statement. Okay? So let's write. So mathematically it is written as, mathematically, if there are two triangles like this and another triangle like this, okay, this is A, B, C, D, E, F. Understood? Now it is given that according to the statement, if this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and which one is the included angle? This angle or this angle or this angle? This angle. Okay, because these angles are the two consecutive sides. Okay, so this is the included angle. Here also this is the included angle. Okay, so according to the statement, if AB is equal to DE, not ED, DE, AC is equal to DF. Okay, no, first write the angles because it is SAS. So first we have to write side, then we have to write angle, then we have to write side. So AB is equal to D. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle means BAC angle, or you can simply write angle A. Suppose I am writing BAC angle is equal to which angle? This angle, EDF. And the third condition is for side AC is equal to DF. So this is for S, this is for angle, this is for side. So if the two consecutive sides and the included angle are equal to another triangle's two consecutive sides and included angle, then this triangle ABC is congruent to which triangle? EDF or FED or DFE? Which triangle? See, first I write A. So here you have to write first D. Then I write B. So here you have to write E. Okay. Then C. So you have to write F. Hence, the triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle DEF if it follows the SAS congruency. Okay. So this is the axiom number 7.1. Understood? So now we will discuss about another axiom, that is axiom number 7.2. Right? So what is axiom 7.2 states? It states that if two triangles are congruent, okay, it states that if two triangles are congruent, that means here already two triangles are congruent, it is given. You don't have to prove. It is given that this triangle is congruent to this triangle. Okay, if it happens, then the side of one triangle is equal to the corresponding sides of another triangle. Okay. So again I am telling you, if two triangles are congruent, then the sides of one triangle, all the sides of one triangle is equal to the corresponding sides of another triangle, as well as the angle of one triangle is equal to the angle of corresponding other triangles. Okay, so it means if this triangle and this triangles are congruent, then this side is equal to this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, as well as this angle is equal to this angle, this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, so this is the axiom number 7.2. So let us first write the statement of axiom 7.2. So according to this axiom, if two triangles are congruent, this is given already. If two triangles are congruent, then all the three sides as well as 3 angles, okay, of one triangle are equal to 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 angles of another triangle. Okay, understood? So as you can see, there are 2 figures, 2 triangles, and these 2 triangles are congruent according to the statement. And if they are congruent, then their corresponding sides, these are the corresponding sides, as well as their corresponding angles are equal. Okay, so we can write mathematically that if triangle ABC is congruent to the triangle DEF, then what will happen? Their corresponding sides are equal. Okay, so AB is equal to D of another triangle, BC is equal to EF of another triangle, and AC is equal to DF of another triangle. So these are the corresponding sides. Okay, so these are the corresponding sides, or you can say parts of congruent triangle. Okay, so see, we can write it in the short form, corresponding C, okay, PCT, or you can write CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So these are the corresponding sides of 2 congruent triangles. Understood? So not only all the 3 corresponding sides are equal, but also the corresponding angles also equal. Okay, and this angle, okay, is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to which angle? Angle F. Hence, these are the corresponding angles of congruent triangles. Okay, so these are the corresponding angles, or you can say parts, because they are the parts of the 2 triangles. They are the corresponding parts of congruent triangle, or in short form you can write CPCT. Okay, this is the exam number 7.2.